What do you do? I want you to be completely
scared of cops, bro.
No. Stop.
No,
have I been disrespectful?
No, but I literally just went through this last night, like 2 nights ago.
Why'd you get searched the other night?
The same reason I say my car smells like weed and I don't smoke in my car. It might be me, but I don't smoke in my car, sir.
What, Dylan? Is there marijuana in this vehicle? Yes or no?
No, there's not.
Now is your chance to tell me. Because if you're honest with me, I will work with you. Don't reach, man. Relax. Okay. No shit. Okay. Is there anything else in there? Okay. Hop on out for me now. You don't have a choice. Stay there! Stay there now! Stay there!
Hey, stay!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Stay! Stay on the ground, stay on the ground.
It's not my fault. It's
It's
not my
okay,
fault.
just stay on the ground. Just stay on the ground. Just lay it down.
I didn't do
You're
anything.
fine, you're fine. Just stay on the ground. No, just stay.
I didn't do anything.
Yes, the silver BMW. White. Take it out. Dylan? Alright, this is what I'm going to have you do. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm going to have you step out.
1158, 10
And the reason why is because, let me ask you a question.
Sure.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I just got my car searched.
Do you or no?
No, sir. My
Okay,
car smells
why
like...
does your car smell like marijuana?
It doesn't, sir.
It does. There's a reason why I'm asking, man. It's not my first day, okay? Well, this is what I'm going to tell you, okay? As long as you're cool, you stay cool, I'll be cool back. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
I don't care about a little bit of pot. I'm not looking to jam you, my man. I promise you, okay? This is what I want you to do. I want you to be completely...
I'm scared of cops, bro.
No. Stop.
No,
Have I been disrespectful at all?
No, but I literally just went through this last night, like 2 nights ago.
Why'd you get searched the other night?
The same reason you guys say my car smells like weed, and I don't smoke in my car.
Okay.
It might be me, but I don't smoke in my car, sir.
Dylan, is there marijuana in this vehicle, yes or no?
No, there's not.
Now is your chance to tell me. Because if you're honest with me, I will work with you. Don't reach, man. Don't reach. Relax.
Right here.
Okay. No shit.
Right there, sir.
Okay. Is there anything else in there?
No, sir.
Okay. Hop on out for me, man.
I don't want to hop out the car.
You don't have a choice. Dylan! He just hit me with his car. In the vehicle now. Stay there! Stay there now! Stay there! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! 974. It's a black male operator. I have his Florida ID with me. Just dragged me in his vehicle.
Are you injured? Can you rescue?
Yeah, start him for me.
24 now.
Yeah, it's a silver BMW. White, tinted out windshield. Black male operator, loud muffler. Is there a gun in this car?
No, go ahead and search. I swear to God, you can.
Made a right on Cherry Hill from Tulip, from the Valero. Hey, let's start setting up a perimeter. Darren, down there! Down there!